Okay, so we are at Sense Aeronautics. We are a software company. We made video analytics. So the idea is take the video from the drone, process it in different ways, and display the information, alerts, alarms, and the output video. We have the capability of processing the video in different platforms. We are showcasing in the show two of them. This could be the edge devices oriented to put it on the drone, and this could be more for the put it on the ground control station. We call these solutions local, but we have also the capability of put it on the cloud. If you have the capability so sending the video through the internet to our cloud, we are able to process them and get back with the alerts, alarms, and so on. What we are showcasing is we have an integration with DJI commercial drones. We are getting the video in real time and analyzing here and displaying the output video in here. Okay, so we are detecting the people at the show. This is just for the convention demo. The kind of videos that we really are good at is these ones like here that I'm streaming using my laptop. Processing it here as well and detecting people and vehicles at very long distances with just a few pixels, which is our key value. What we are showcasing here as well is the very same video, but processing here. This is a smaller device, lighter, with less computational resources, so the performance is not so good. And this is more or less what we are showcasing. We have different applications as well. This is for detecting people and vehicles, but we can also detect debris in runways or drones or flying objects for avoid collisions.